Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo aspect ratio in HTC U11 Life. So in the first step, let's open the camera up. And now if you want to change your photo aspect ratio, you have to click on the 2-line button. You can take one photo. Sorry about the timer, but never mind. And just click here on the aspect ratio. Now you can choose the 4:3, 60:9 and 1:1. So pick your desired aspect ratio. You can turn off the timer and let's just take one more photo. And this is how looks the difference between these photos. I don't know what's happening, but never mind. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.